Okay, ladies, I feel like I'm giving muy caliente, super hot, super fire hottie with this look. Today I've teamed up with Dorsanee hair, and they sent over this beautiful reddish brown, color 33 curtain bang body wave base wig. I have her in a 13x4, so we're getting frontal vibes. She came pre-curled. I'll show you all of the details and show you how I installed and styled this look. If you're interested to see how I got this look, keep on
First
watching.
time saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause like we hadn't seen each other in a month when you said you needed space. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. What?